10 easy lines on 1st May International Labour Day. The International Labour Day is celebrated on 1st May every year. It is also known as May Day. In India, Labour Day was first celebrated in Madras on May 1, 1983 with red flag. Labour Day is also termed as May Day. This festival is dedicated to the workers for their economic and social achievement. Labour Day is also known as Antarrashtriya Shramika Divas in India. During Industrial Revolution, the labourers were not treated with respect and they were worked more than 15 hours each day and they were not paid adequately. So they demand fair working hours and wages for their hard work. As a result of this success, 1st May of every year is celebrated as International Labour Day. Labour Day is a public holiday in India. 1st May is dedicated to the workers around the globe. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.